Nature-inspired engineering is about learning lessons from nature to help solve challenging problems in technology. It is translating the fundamental mechanisms that underpin desirable properties like scalability, efficiency, resilience, agility, circularity, things nature is really good at.
Our chemical engineering department offers a interdisciplinary MSc in nature-inspired solutions at UCL East. It focuses on delivering creative problem-solving skills and also transformative technologies and design inspired by nature.
We can learn a lot of lessons from nature. We can learn lessons from the scalable architecture of the lungs, which is extremely effective to distribute air, to redesign hydrogen fuel cells that can produce clean energy. We can learn from the structure of the trees, their fractal architecture. And here we can learn lessons from the tree in redesigning chemical reactors and catalysts for sustainable manufacturing. And we can learn lessons from the structure of the kidney to completely redesign membranes so that they do not foul.
The MSc program in Nature-Inspired Solutions aims to teach students through a combination of hands-on learning, research-based learning, and public engagement. Often the projects that they will be working on through the master's program will be highly interdisciplinary because we want to combine the salient aspects a lot of these different disciplines have in order to arrive at the most efficient solution.
Engineers cannot learn from textbooks. They absolutely need to learn from hands-on, real-world problems. And that is what we do in our programs.
A lot of resources are becoming depleted. So we need to come up with smarter and more efficient ways for our industrial processes, for the way we produce the materials we use. Nature-inspired solutions can allow us to find ways to address these issues. By attending these masters, you will develop a unique set of skills that borrows concepts from chemical engineering, but also physics, chemistry, materials, biomedicine, to solve these problems.
Often this is best done, as in the real world, in interdisciplinary teams. We must really work together across different disciplines to solve grand challenges.
The new campus that UCL has created at UCL East is the first large campus in 200 years since UCL was founded. It is where we will really bring together experts from a wide range of disciplines to work very collaboratively outside of what is traditionally seen as discipline silos. At UCL East, people will work side by side with people from a whole range of different disciplines. And our graduates will be part of that community of engineers and of scientists that will help change the world.
What we're looking for in this course are students with an open mind for very diverse backgrounds. Society really needs transformative change to tackle sustainable development. And for that, we need courageous, brave people. We need students like you to take our course, want to tackle these challenges, think differently, make these things happen.